Hello everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I'm coming back again because I wanted to show you another DIY monogram. Well, the name that I would be putting on these workout pants. These are the pants for my other twin daughter, and I just want to put her name on there. I'm using a pink vinyl, which is HTV, that matches with her pink color on her pants. And this vinyl right here, this name is about 7 inches across. And I'm going to finish weeding out this letter A. As you see, I had already started it. Okay, so I'm finished with that, and I'm going to go over to my heat press here, which I already have it set at 315 for 10 seconds. And I'm just going to put the pants, the workout pants, about right here. I don't want it too far down here by the color pink. I want it kind of in the center in the middle here. So I'm going to put it about right in this area, just so I can center it. Make sure it's straight. I think that's about straight. And now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet, and I'm just going to place it over my name here, my HTV. And I'm going to take my heat press, and I'm going to press down on it. And like I said, I have it on 315 for 10 seconds. I'm going to press start. Okay, finished. Take your Teflon sheet off. And just remove this cover from your vinyl. And see, there's the name. So now I'm going to take my Teflon sheet and just go back over it just to make sure the letters are adhered to the pants. And I'm not going to press it for long, probably about 3 or 4 seconds. Okay. And as you can see, there's the pants. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.